Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about why Facebook wants to rebrand itself for the metaverse. So let's start it. Facebook plans to rename itself and the change could be announced at the company's annual Connect conference on October 28 as earlier. According to a report by The Verge, for Facebook, the rebranding isn't just about a switch in the company name, but a reflection of the company growing ambitions and focus on a new area metaverse. Facebook has already announced plans to invest 50 million US dollar as part of its efforts to create a responsible metaverse. It also plans to create nearly new 10,000 jobs in Europe as part of its metaverse ambitions. But what exactly is the metaverse and why is Facebook so invested in it? More importantly, does the metaverse even exist? We explain. What is the what is this about Facebook renaming itself? It was The Verge that first reported in Facebook's plans to rename itself, just like how Alphabet is now the parent company of Google. We could see a new parent company under which Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and other operate. Facebook's attempts to rename is to align itself with a focus on building the metaverse, which CEOs Mark Zuckerberg clearly see as becoming a reality sooner or later. As Facebook, which also owns the Oculus virtual reality gaming platform, doesn't want to be left behind in the race to be a part of the metaverse. It also signals that Facebook wants to be known for more than just social media. The timing would also seem right considering the negative spotlight that Facebook is under with the latest whistleblower revelations just adding to the company problem. And Facebook is under regulatory scanner in most countries including its home market of the US, but there are larger ambitions at play here, and that's why we need to talk about metaverse in the context of Facebook. Where does the idea of metaverse come from? The idea follows from the cult science fiction novel Snow Crash by Neil Stephenson, published in 1992, where the phages metaverse was first used. The novel is set in a dystopian world where governments have ceded power to private corporations and deal with many aspects of the modern world, be its virtual reality, digital currency, etc. Then Stephenson's book has found a godlike reverence among Silicon Valley leaders. But the idea of the metaverse has also been playing out in works such as Ready Player One by Ernest Klein, 2011 novel, which later became a movie in 2018. And of course, there's a Matrix as well. There are also several essays on the internet, each trying to explain what the metaverse really in or which it can be. VC investor Matthew Ball actually has a 9-part series on this blog in addition to an introduction to the metaverse essay, which is a great primer for anyone who wants to dive deep into the concept. What exactly is metaverse? This can be many complicated answers to the questions, but a simplistic way to look at the metaverse is as a parallel virtual world where users can be different identities, positions, and characters. In the complex explanation, metaverse is supported to be the post-internet world, a decentralized computing platform of sorts, if you will, which is continuous and live. It is an entirely digital economy, and the way most Silicon Valley intellectuals see this, metaverse exists both in the digital and physical realm. Interoperability is key to metaverse success. According to Ball's essay, yes, virtual reality would be an element of the metaverse, but the idea goes beyond just donating a virtual reality headset and starting to play a game. According to Ball, the metaverse does not reset or pause or end, but continuous identify. Metaverse is not something that just one company can build, nor is Facebook the only one working on this. Epic Games, the creator of Fortnite, has big plans for this metaverse using its Unreal Engine. In fact, Fortnite already has many elements which would conform to the idea, such as live events, its own currency, etc. Then, how will the metaverse really work? Digital spaces, virtual reality games, a virtual world, or even just a game like Fortnite is not the metaverse. According to Ball, through the acknowledges that Fortnite does have elements of the latter. For instance, Fortnite recently held a music experience where upcoming artists were able to their interactive experiences with their musical seats inside the games. So the games sort of allow other brands and creators to showcase their products to players. The metaverse is being envisioned as a new world order, really, where you service could not offer it virtually in exchange for other virtual asset, cryptocurrencies. The way to look at it is that your existence will be enmeshed with the digital world in a much deeper, complex way. On one level, it does sound dystopic, and most examples in popular fiction where the virtual and physical world have merged live up to that image, because everything and everyone is supported to be a part of this. Interoperability will be key. In order to ensure that the metaverse functions smoothly, it would require a rewriting of the current rules, and as they are for most of the internet services and functions, according to Bal. Then, what is Facebook plan with the metaverse? The metaverse is critical for Facebook's future, and it is not hard to imagine why. A digital world where we spend most of our time interacting with friends, where virtual assets have higher importance, where the rules will be entirely difficult. Of course, Facebook would wants this. Plus, Facebook has its own ocular virtual reality gaming platforms, which could prove to be a gateway into this metaverse. Then, according to Facebook own definition, found in its new announcement, the metaverse will let users hang out with people who are not in the same physical space. You will be able to hang out with friends, work, play, learn, shop, create, and more. It's not necessarily about spending more time online, it's about making the time you do spend online more meaningful. The company wrote. The definition is rather simplistic compared to how the metaverse has been theorized by others. Facebook also admits that the metaverse won't be built overnight, and many of the products will only be fully released in the next 10 to 15 years. But Facebook says it's need to work on the questions of how the metaverse will be built. The social media giant says it will be help build the metaverse responsibility in September. It announced the XR programs and research fund, which is a 2-year 50 million US dollar investment in programs and external research, where it will partner with the industry, civil rights groups, governments, non-profits, and academic institutions to determine how to build these techniques technologies responsibly. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy my video. Till the next video. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel.